Today I will be teaching you how to add an animal to a space. A CoSpaces Edu tutorial by I. First, you need to press on the library button. Then, you need to press on the animals button on the top middle lane. To go side to side, you use your finger or press the buttons on the side. When you've found the one you like, you need to tap it and hold on and drag it out. Then, to make it bigger, you use this button and pull it up. Then, you are finished with adding an animal to a space. Thank you for listening.